Ciao lovelies, it's Lunaria here, and today I thought I would share with you guys a quick and fun Agere craft that you can do to celebrate Halloween. So we're going to be making these little vampire bat, essentially popsicle stick puppets. So first things first, I'm using these. These are recycled monster can like tops. You don't have to use exactly this, but something that like a bottle cap or something would also work. I'm also using pre-cut pieces of white foam to cut them to look like fangs. Two different types of eyes. One I'm doing with big red rhinestones. The other I'm doing with red buttons. Then we have two popsicle sticks, and then for our black foam pieces, we have two sets of ears, one for each bat. We have two body cutouts, one again for each bat. And then we have two sets of wings that go together. So I've got these that I cut out, but basically just you put you fold it over and you cut it on a mirror. So essentially you have two somewhat mirror images for your wings. So this is the one set that I made, and then these are the other. And then the only thing you'll need outside of these items is you will need a hot glue gun, or you'll need some kind of like tacky glue or some kind of other type of glue to adhere everything in the project together. So first step is pretty easy. You're going to grab your popsicle stick, and at the top of the popsicle stick you're going to put some hot glue. You don't have to use too much, but you want to make sure that it's going to hold down our monster tab. So you're going to pop that into place. And I recommend, if you're going to push it to like try to secure it, push on the popsicle stick, not the monster tab. The metal will hurt. It takes the heat like through it. It's particularly painful. Yeah. All right. So you want to essentially have something like this. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to glue one of the circles cutouts inside of the bottle cap or monster like top. Because again, you can use a bottle cap for this too. So you're just going to push that foam right on back in there and make sure that it's glued in there so that you have something like this. Next, we're doing the ears. So flip over your popsicle stick and circle around to where the top is. Know where you're going to glue the ears down. And then glue the ears so that the tips of the ears peek over the top of the little bat head, but they're glued down to the popsicle stick on the back. So now that you have something like this, we're going to start doing the little face. So you should have, again, your ears secured to the back. You have the top secured to the front, as well as the foam there. So next thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing the face pieces. So first things first, you're going to want to put in the fangs. Now, depending on the way you're doing the eyes, it will differ for the way you do the fangs. So the way I see it is with the big eyes, which I'm doing with the rhinestones, I was going to do like the big rhinestone eyes up in the little face, and then for the fangs, I was either going to like put them on the outside slightly so that they stick out and you can still see them, or maybe glue them to the bottom part of this bottle top right here. So essentially you're just going to kind of move it depending on what your eyes are. So like for the button eyes, for example, which, let me get this hot glue out of there. I do think with the button eyes you could do the fangs first and the eyes on top, and you would have kind of the same idea. So go ahead and secure all of the face pieces inside. You're going to want the eyes, which is going to be some kind of red charm, and then your pre-cut out white foam fangs. So the last step in the construction, once you've got the face and the ears done, is going to be the wings. So you should have left a tab at the end, like shown in the beginning, And so what you're going to do is you're going to glue the wings on so that the tabs of the wings meet in the middle on the back. So they'll look like this, and you can put another piece of foam over them to secure them if you also want to do that.